As the finance bachelor, juggling a hectic schedule can be exhausting, from shooting content, going to events, coaching clients, or sometimes just trying to stay in shape. Whenever I'm planning an escape with TK, I'm always looking for secure, easy, and convenient ways to make payments or receive money from countries such as South Africa, Namibia, or Eswatini. With FNB FX on app, it is easy, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a moment. So making payments or receiving money with FX on app functionality from FNB is very easy. I'm going to show you in this quick tutorial. The first one is you need to have a bank account with FNB Lesotho. Download the FNB app and make sure that it is verified. Once you have done that, you grab your mobile phone, log into the FNB app. So what you should see on the first screen is, if you don't have the Forex tab, you'll click on the plus sign to edit. But where I already have one, you literally download and add the Forex app, and then that will allow you to log into the app. So logging into the app, you will then go to Forex. So to make payments, you will use the global payments functionality, and this allows you to do once-off payments, beneficiary lists, you can save payments, and you can also view payment history. To receive money using FX on app, you'll use the global receipts functionality. So when somebody sends you the money, you'll get notified that there is payment or there is money that you have received. You'll then log in, go to the global receipts functionality, and then you'll click on the available funds. And then once you click on the available funds, you'll confirm and you'll get those funds credited into your account. All right, what the functionality does allow you to do as well, you can do global transfers between different accounts. You can also check global transfers history. What I also enjoy about FX on app from FNB is you are able, for people who love to travel like me, you can then also look at the Forex rates, where you have visibility of what the current US dollar rate is, pound sterling, euro, Australian dollar, Botswana pula, and so many more. So it is very simple, it is very easy, and it's very convenient to use. This is why you need to be using FX on app, because it is easy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what your experience with FX on app functionality is, and let me know if you've downloaded the app already, or if it's still something you need to do. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.